I'm so excited to be back with y'all for more Disneyland trivia. But this time, we're gonna switch things up. We're gonna have two Honda experts who are geared to show off their Disney fandom in this beautiful new Honda Odyssey. Let's go meet our contestants. What's going on, guys?
Hey, it's really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having me.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. I got Jody and Jonathan with me here today. Welcome, guys, to the Disneyland Trivia Tour. Are you guys fans of Disney?
Oh, absolutely.
I definitely am.
Let's go play. You guys are the Honda experts, so can you guys tell me about some of the new features?
We have cabin watch technology in the Odyssey, and there's a camera that shows you everything that's going
Right here.
Okay, this is how I'm gonna watch them to make sure they don't cheat.
I was gonna
Okay.
This is how I'm doing this. It's time to start Disneyland Trivia, presented by Honda. All right,
Here we go.
what were Mickey Mouse's first spoken words?
Ooh,
Were they actually words or are they sounds?
that wasn't like a steamboat Mickey. This is post that generation, right? Was he talking back then? I feel like
There were words. There were words.
first words that Mickey Mouse said.
It's actually a snack that can be purchased at Disneyland today.
What?
I want a churro.
It's not a churro.
It's not a churro.
What is Pluto?
A dog?
So, if there was a snack that you could buy at Disneyland, you'd buy a...
Hot diggity dog.
That is correct. We're going with Hot Diggity Dog.
Dang. Okay.
What anniversary is Disneyland currently celebrating?
To be fair, I actually know this one.
I know it too.
It's 70, right?
Yeah.
It's 70th year?
70th.
Why is there a pause?
If you feel like you already know, then we should make it a bit harder. What day,
Oof.
what month,
Ooh.
and what year?
July
Yes.
19.
I mean, I'm currently wearing the number that it would end with.
55.
Ah, okay. Now, what is the date?
I'm just gonna make something up. 16th.
Ooh, he's almost there. He's almost there.
Higher,
Just
lower.
higher, just a bit higher.
17th.
That is correct.
Alrighty.
Well done. Points on the board.
I didn't know that before, but I know that now.
I know. I'm glad that we're having the opportunity to learn so much.
I'm
too.
testing everybody I know now.
Name as many of the colors for ride vehicles in Disneyland Resort Autopia, powered by Honda.
Vroom vroom. I'm gonna have to start with obsidian blue.
That's a Honda color.
It is a Honda color.
Yes.
What else?
Aegean blue.
That's dang. All right, so we should know our colors. The one that we're driving
Today,
today is smoke blue.
pearl.
I'm waiting for my ding.
That is incorrect.
Milano red.
That is correct.
That is correct. Rally red?
No,
Okay,
no.
okay.
There's no rally red.
Jonathan, lunar silver metallic.
That is correct. Jonathan, come on. You got to come through clutch.
Platinum white.
No.
Very
I'm thinking of
embarrassing.
one left. You want me to answer it?
You got one. If you got it, throw it out there, Jody.
Kona coffee.
That is correct.
Dang.
This is the Honda team.
As long as we get a churro, I like that.
What is the short, unexpected diorama inside the Disneyland Railroad called? I didn't even know this one.
I don't know what the name. Is this the one with the dinosaurs?
There are dinosaurs.
I don't know what the name of it is.
The train thing that goes around the park,
It
right?
goes-
The
inside.
main train that goes all around. I don't have this one. I just know it has dinosaurs.
Got 10 seconds.
Animals,
Yes.
there's- right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a whole,
5 seconds.
There's like a thunderstorm.
You out of time. You guys are out of time. It is a primeval world.
Oh.
because the dinosaurs, like, they got like red eyes, everything's like crazy.
It is really dark.
I have been to Disneyland so many times in my life, and I swear to you guys, I didn't know that existed until last year. Can you name the types of transportation that are offered on Main Street?
There's like a trolley,
Horse and carriage. Feet.
yeah, walking.
Did you say feet?
Yeah, walking. You
Wait.
can't walk.
Your legs.
Wait, I need to look at you as you said that. Did you say feet?
You can walk.
Feet?
I know.
You give me one more.
What about the old school fire engine?
That's it. That's correct. You guys got it. Yes, more points.
Yes.
More points.
Yes.
How did you guys remember that one? The other ones are called a jitney and an omnibus. I had no idea what a jitney was.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
Maybe
what
they
that
can
word
flash
is,
one
so.
on the screen or something.
Yeah, show us what a jitney is.
Yeah.
Thank you. Last question. Disneyland's Paint the Night Parade features a fan favorite song, Owl City's When Can I See You Again? What Disney feature film does this song also appear in? Uh-oh, I don't know. I got 10 seconds
Is
on
that
the clock.
a Wreck-It Ralph? No?
Oh, that would be cute.
That's not
How did he know? Yes, it's Wreck-It Ralph.
That's a good movie.
I got the paint colors. He got the movies
my
down.
son liked that movie.
How did you know?
That's a good song.
Oh, your son watched it. Okay, so there it is.
I
See?
don't get credit.
Family. Family.
Disneyland, Odyssey, family.
Family came through in the clutch with that one. Thank you guys for tuning in, and also thank you to you both for playing the Disneyland Trivia Tour. I have something special for both of you. Eyes closed. As a big surprise.
Oh my God,
Yes.
that's awesome.
Churros for you.
Totally worth it.
All the churros for both of you.
Khleo, thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate it.
Amazing.
Ton of fun.
Amazing, yes. I'll let y'all split that. Big thank you to Honda. Make sure you guys tune in the next time for the Disneyland Trivia Tour. Honda is the official vehicle of the Disneyland Resort.